How to remove Instagram account from Meta Business Suite. To that, open up your Meta Business Suite, or you can also go to business.facebook.com and you can have your Facebook page here. And on the left side, you will have a bunch of options. On the bottom side, you will have a settings option. Click on settings. And then under settings, go to business assets. And here you will have your Facebook page and your Instagram account, which is on your Meta Business Suite. So if you want to remove your Instagram account from Meta Business Suite, click on Instagram account. And then you will have three dots on the right side. Click on those three dots. And then you will have an option which says remove from business account. Click on that. And then it will ask you, if you remove the Instagram account, it will no longer be part of the business account. People who currently manage the Instagram account will still have access upon removal. So if you want to remove your account, click on remove Instagram account. And that's it. You have removed your Instagram account from Meta Business Suite. It was that easy. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thank you.